What's up everyone, my name's Jessie. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, oh, welcome back. September, fall is finally kicking in, the weather's cooling down, the leaves are changing color, I'm becoming, evolving into my one true form, which is being cozy, enjoying the spookiness in my sweatpants, and living for the fall time. So if you don't know me personally, I'm going to share two quick little facts about myself. One of them being that I love fall and Halloween especially. I'm all about the spooky season, and I love home decor. So that's what brings us here today. We are taking acrylic paint and baking powder and making like this terracotta clay textured boho art piece, home decor thing. I don't know, you saw the thumbnail, so without further ado, let's get into it. Baking powder, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, bowl, spoon, 1 cup, the vase or pot you're gonna use, and that wheatgrass thing. So the recipe I was looking, not the recipe, the instructions that I was looking at originally said a cup of acrylic paint and a teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, my tube is not a cup of paint, so I just kind of used the whole thing and then eyeballed it when it came to the baking powder. I just like sprinkled a little bit here and there. Essentially you just want the paint to turn into this like foamy kind of a look, I guess. I don't know, it starts bubbling a bit, and then that's when I decided it was good to go. So just grab your vase or pot, whatever you're using. I got mine from a thrift store for I think $4, and just grab your brush and slap it on. So I let that sit for about an hour and a half maybe, until it was almost fully dry, and decided that I needed to put a second coat just because it didn't fully cover. And with my second coat, I just sprinkled in a little more baking powder. And voila, that's the end result. She's looking cute. So now I'm taking this wheatgrass thing, I don't know, whatever it is, and I'm cutting it down to my desired height. Alrighty folks, and there you go. There's your cute as heck boho fall chill vibe decor piece. Whatever the heck you want to call it, but there she is in all her glory. Alright everyone, that's all for this week's video. If you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you're into the whole fall Halloween DIY home decor thing, then keep an eye on this channel, because your girl, she ain't just a pretty face, my friends. No, the wheels, they've been turning. Got some things going on. Okay, anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!